Hello friends, welcome back to Infigyan. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from Algebra. We have 4x plus 4y plus 81 equal to 24 times square root x times 4th root y. Here we have to find real values of x and y. At first glance, this equation looks very hard to solve. But once we will use method of substitutions, we'll be able to find our solutions in few minutes. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this problem by your own first. Now we are going to divide our equation by 4 both sides, so that the coefficient of x and y will be 1. We will write equation x plus y plus 81 over 4 equal to 24 over 4 is 6, square root x, 4th root y. Now we will use our substitutions. Let us say square root x equal to a. We have x and y real numbers, so a must be positive. Now we will consider 4th root of y equal to b. So b must be positive for y to be real. Now we will be squaring of first substitution. We can write x will be equal to a square, and by putting power 4 here, we will be getting y equal to b power 4. Now x is a square, y is b power 4. We will write our equation in variable a and v. So we will write a square plus b power 4 plus 81 over 4 equal to 6 times square root x is a, 4th root y is b. Now we will take all the terms to left hand side. A square minus 6ab plus b power 4 plus 81 over 4 equal to 0. Now we are going to add 9b square and subtract 9b square in LHS. So we can write a square minus 6ab. Now we will add 9b square here. Then we'll write b power 4 term. We can subtract 9b square over here. Then we'll write 81 over 4 equal to RHS will be 0. Now from first 3 terms of LHS, we can write one perfect square of a minus 3b. We can check a square, 3b whole square is 9b square, 2 times a times 3b is minus 6ab. Similarly, from the remaining 3 terms, we can write this is b square minus 9 over 2 whole square, and RHS will be 0. Now in LHS we have sum of 2 squares, and in RHS we have 0. So this will possible if brackets are individually 0. A minus 3b should be equal to 0, and b square minus 9 over 2, this must be equal to 0. Then only we will get RHS 0. So from our first equation, we can write a will be equal to 3b. And from our second equation, we can write b square should be equal to 9 over 2. Or we can write b will be equal to plus minus 3 over square root 2. Now there is one condition. B should be greater than 0 for y to be real. So we are going to reject minus sign. So we can write b will be equal to 3 over square root 2. Once b is 3 over square root 2, a will be equal to 3 times b, which is 9 over root 2. Let me write here, b is 3 over square root 2. So we will find a value which is 3 times b. So we will write 3 times 3 over square root 2, which will give us a value 9 over root 2. Now we have a 9 over root 2, b 3 over root 2. We have to find x and y. So we will write x value will be equal to a square as per our substitution, and y will be equal to b power 4. So we can write x will be equal to a square. A is 9 over root 2, and then we'll put power 2, which will give us 81 over 2. This is the real value of x, 81 over 2. Now we will find y value, y equal to b power 4. b is 3 over square root 2. We'll put power 4. Will be equal to 3 power 4 over square root 2 whole power 4. Will be equal to 3 power 4 over 2 power 2. Now 3 power 4 is 81. 2 power 2 is 4. So we are having y value 81 over 4. X is 81 over 2. Y is 81 over 4. Now we have to cross-examine our solution. So I will write here x equal to 81 over 2 and y equal to 81 over 4. Equation is here. Let me write here, check. So I will write here LHS, which is equal to 4x plus 4y plus 81. Now we will put the values. X is 81 over 2. Y is 81 over 4. Then we have plus 81 in LHS. Now 4 over 2 is 2. So we will write 2 times 81, 162, plus 4 over 4 will be 1. We'll write here 81 plus 81. So we are going to get 162 plus 162. Value will be equal to 324. So LHS is 324. Now we will check our RHS. It should be equal to 324 if our solutions are true, 81 over 2 and 81 over 4. Let's check RHS. So we will write x equal to 81 over 2, y equal to 81 over 4. RHS will be equal to 24 times square root x, 4th root y. 24 times square root of x is 81 over 2. Then we'll multiply with 4th root of 81 over 4. Now we'll write 24 times square root 81 over square root 2 times 4th root 81 over 4th root 2. Now square root 81 is 9. We will write 24 times 9 over square root 2 times 4th root of 81 is 3. 4th root of 4 is square root 2. So we will write 24 times 9 times 3 over root 2 times root 2 is 2. This will get cancelled out. We'll write here 12. So this is 12 times 9 times 3 is 27, which will give us product 324. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution, x will be equal to 81 over 2, y will be equal to 81 over 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.